Hi all, this is Rajeshwari from Costume Design and Fashion Department, and today we are going to see about elements of visual merchandising. So visual merchandising, first of all, visual merchandising is all about attracting the customers and generating revenue to our store. So based on that, if you see, it is defined into 4 categories. So it first comes around store front, store layout, interior displays and store interior. Next slide. So you have all these coming around. So the first thing we are going to see is store front. Store front, first of all, it comes from the exterior of a store. The entire appearance, what we see outside of the store depends on the storefront. The awning or the extra logo or whatever you give around the store is known as storefront. So storefront, first of all, clearly it will come under the identity of a name, the store name. For example, if Pothys is given as a store and the logo, Pothys logo, that P, capital P will be known as the storefront bigger element which is identified. So next comes, it gives the merchandise hint. So as you see in the storefront, the window display will be placed in the front of the store so that you will know what merchandise products are kept inside the store. So the customer will be very clear on what the purchase is going to make into your store. So storefront first of all classifies into signs, marquees, entrances and window displays. So you have lot of signs. So first sign will be promotional sign. Obviously we will see like lot of signs you will be coming around these promotionals. It is based on the store's promotion like offers and discounts, and these all comes under promotional signs. So next is location. Location is nothing but the entry and exit which is placed inside the store, where the entry comes and where the exit goes, and what section is this, and if suppose it is a sari section, the sari section is mentioned to be like Kanjipuram Pattu sari section, and the madri they will be mentioning it. So next is institutional signs. Institutional sign is all about which landmark, like what kind of group they are and what they are producing, what are their products, these all are institutional signs. So next is informational signs. Informational sign is all about the product, the manual, like for example, if you buy an electronic thing, how it has to be used. The process all will be mentioned in a small manual and will be stuck near the product. So that is known as informational sign. So next comes the marquees. Marquees are the running letters kept in the store front. So these are like lighting which attracts the customers very clearly. So next, entrances, revolving entrances. This will be mostly seen in the park regions. In India, it is not muchly used. It is used only in the foreign countries where hotel people in a big Paris hotel or like that kind of hotel, they will be having these kind of revolving entrances. It is kept that one person can enter into the store and other has to come another entrance. Push and pull. This is often seen in our every store where you can push this store door and you can get in and move on. Electronic one, this is not much in our thing. It is seen in like malls, bigger malls. This is all about, you have seen today in elements of visual merchandising. Hope you understand everything. Thank you.